that's the case, you've come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your Pinterest account. Then just simply click on the profile at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three dots at the top right. Click on settings. Click on account management. Now you will have two options: deactivate and delete your data and account. So what you're going to choose is delete your data and account. Click on it. Now it will send you email to confirm do you want to really delete the account or not. So just simply click on continue. The Gmail where you will receive the email of deletion will also be the same email that you used to create Pinterest. So keep that in mind. So now all you have to do is just simply hit continue. Choose the reason why you want to delete. Then click on send email. Now all you have to do is just simply go to your Gmail account and wait for the email from Pinterest. So as you can see, the mail have come. Now all you have to do is just simply open the mail and just simply click on yes delete account, and the moment you will click on that, in 14 days your account will be deleted. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.